This video will introduce you how to submit assignments through Canvas. Since Canvas is our main workplace, this is where everything is going to occur. We're going to get our announcements from here, as well as you'll see what assignments are posted, and then you'll submit those same assignments through that page. So what I have as a last part in the Intro to Course module is a practice submission assignment. So when we click on it, this will give you an explanation of the current assignment. So typically I'll put your exercise numbers in this box or whatever else is on that assignment at the given time. What I'm asking you to do here is to send me a Word file that has these 4 bits of information. Your preferred name, your major, your preferred email address for me to contact you with, and your math experience. The only reason I add that last part is just to gauge what kind of level of math the students in this course have. The expectation for this course is not to have a heavy amount of math, but I'm just curious to see where you all are at. Now, what's going to happen for this is most files that are submitted in this course are either Excel files or a PDF file. If you are not familiar with making a PDF file, let's consider that. So I have opened up a Word file with Microsoft Word, and you should have access to that as well as Microsoft Excel based on the Office 365 suite of programs. So when I create a Word file here, then I will just save this as a PDF file so that I can submit it through Canvas. And you're allowed to go through the Save As option, and wherever you're going to save this on your computer, once this window opens up, you can go to a Save As type file, and through all these options, there should be a PDF option in the Word file for you. And I just hit Save. Once Microsoft Word has saved the PDF file, it should automatically open up that PDF file just as a confirmation to see what you just created. What we are now looking at is a practice student view, so I can see from your perspective what Canvas shows you. Everything you've been seeing in these videos so far is from my perspective, which there's not a big difference other than a few minor things. For instance, going into the practice submission assignment, we can see that it's just slightly different looking from what I just showed you before. But why I want to show you this is because from here, you'll see this Submit Assignment button in the upper right-hand corner. When you click on that, it will open up this option for uploading a file here. So when you click the Browse to find the file on your computer, and wherever it's located, you can click that PDF file and hit the Open button, and this will submit that assignment for you. You can also post some comments about the file when it uploads if you feel like you need to tell me anything about that file that you are submitting. If you use Google Drive or Office 365, there is an option to use those to directly upload your file as well. So you have different pathways to get that file on here. Once you submit the file, you'll find this notification at the right-hand side of the page saying that you did submit the file. And you can download that file again for your purposes or see whatever submission details may be there. Notice there is also the Resubmit Assignment button. What this will do is upload a whole different file, but it will keep the original one you submitted, so I can see different versions. If you're going to resubmit a homework assignment, most likely I will be looking at the latest file, but if you feel like I need to look at both files, make sure that you indicate that. We are now looking at the grades portion of Canvas, and this again would be your view as a student when you have it there. And you can see the assignment that was just submitted, and if you really want, you can click on that to get back to that assignment. Eventually, I will score these, and it will go into their specific categories of where those scores will be applied. I will post a follow-up video about looking at the feedback of your given assignment. Typically, I'll type a few comments, depending on how well you did on the assignment or if there's any corrections that could be made. I will show you how to access that feedback later. But that concludes this for the first assignment. So, next videos you're going to start seeing from me are the actual content of the course in Chapter 1.